वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, 7 क्लासेस में आप सभी का स्वागत है। टुडेस आवर टॉपिक नेम इज पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया. ओके, so first we will see what is perimeter and area. So what is perimeter? It is sum of length of all the sides of a closed figure. Means any of the closed figure will be given you. You just had to add all of the given sides of the figure. In the figure, in the diagram, मतलब आपको फिगर के साथ एक्सप्लेन किया तो और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. Next we will see what is area. Area is the amount of surface enclosed by a plane figure. Means what is area? It is the amount of surface. Means any of the figure will be given to you. Suppose स्क्वायर दिया आपको, उसके अंदर जो एरिया ऑक्यूपाई किया उसने, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग एरिया. और यू कैन से और एनी सरफेस द मेजर ऑफ द प्लेस ऑक्यूपाइड बाय अ फिगर इज द एरिया ऑफ दैट फिगर. ओके, इफ यू वांट यू कैन राइट दिस डेफिनेशन, इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू यू. नाउ विद द फिगर वी विल अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, so it is very easy topic, easily you can score in this. So first in your textbook page number 70 you can see first what they are asking you, the perimeter of the square is the sum of length of all the four sides of a square. So what is perimeter? So with the figure we will understand it. Suppose this is a square. Okay, so what will be the perimeter? Just now we have seen, we just have to add the given sides of the closed figure. So this is a square. Okay, so what will be the perimeter? The perimeter of a square is the sum means you have to add of length of all four sides. Okay, why four sides? Because the square is having four sides. You can see 1 2 3 and 4. So you just have to add the all the given sides. Okay, so now we will take it. Okay, suppose here it is 4 centimeter. So in square you must be knowing that all the sides of the square are same. So each side will be 4 centimeter. Okay, so these are the given sides of my square. Now what for perimeter you are going to do? Perimeter of this, the given figure is square, that's why I am writing perimeter of square. Okay, equal to, now just now in the definition what we have seen, the perimeter of square is the sum of length of all the four sides. Okay, so you are supposed to do the summation of all the sides, means simply you have to add the all given sides. Okay, so we will add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So what's the total coming? 16 centimeter. Okay, so in this way you have to find the perimeter of any of the closed shape. This is for the square. Simply आपको square के नीचे rectangle का दिया गया है और triangle का दिया गया है. Is a rectangle, we can write perimeter of rectangle. So what we have to, again we have to add sum of the length of all the four sides. So just we have to add the given four sides. So I will start from here. So 6 centimeter, no need to write here unit, you can simply add 6 plus 3 plus again 6, we will go in clockwise, and then 3. See, I have started from here, 6 plus 3, then again plus 6, and then last 3. So after adding all the given sides, you will get the total as 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 6, 18 centimeter. In last you are supposed to write the unit. If you will not write the given unit, you will lose half marks for this. Okay, so for square and for the rectangle we have seen. Now we will see for triangle. Simple, any of the given shape will be given you. You just have to add the given sides of the figure. Now First I will draw the triangle for you. Okay, this is the given figure. So what will be the perimeter for triangle P? Okay, so with example I will explain you. Suppose this is my given triangle. 3, 2, again 3. Okay, unit compulsory. So this is the given figure. You can see from, I will name it also, A, B, C. Now what are we supposed to write? It is the given figure is a triangle. So perimeter of triangle. You can simply add the given sides, or a trick है. It is not trick but it is lengthy. You can solve it by that place also. So perimeter of triangle. आपको क्या करना है? All the given sides you are supposed to write. So with the naming I will explain you now. So suppose I start from the figure, or suppose I start from the point A. So what is A? B. One of the side, then BC. So plus BC. Then plus CA or A. AC. You can write. So what is the length for AB? It is 3. Then for BC, again it is 3. And for CA, it is 2. So I have added all the given sides. Now I will find the total. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So what is the perimeter of triangle? It is 8 centimeter. In this way, any of the figure will be given you. You just have to add all the sides of that figure and you will get the perimeter of that given figure. Okay. So all the things are done. Now we will go to exercise. Okay. In exercise, I will solve only 1 or 2 sums because it is really very easy. You can easily solve it and score good marks. So you can see this is the first figure given in your textbook. It is somewhat rectangle. So you can write given shape, or you can, if you know the shape name, you can write that shape name. For just I have written here perimeter of given shape. Okay. So just now what is perimeter? You are supposed to add the all sides. So if I am starting from 1, after that 4, after that again 1, and last 4. So what will be the total? 4 plus 4 is 8 and 2 10. Okay. So perimeter of a given shape is how much? 10 centimeter. In this way you can solve all the given shapes. You just have to add all the given sides and then you will get the perimeter. Now I will solve the second sum for you. Okay. Now we will solve the second sum. What it is given? The side of a rectangular field are 150 meter, 120 meter, 150 and again 120 meter. So as it is a rectangular field, two sides will be same. So I will draw it for you. Rectangular field है मतलब वो rectangular shape में रहेगा. Okay. So two of the given sides are 150 meter and two of the given sides are 120. So 150 है तो of course ये बड़ा होगा 150 meter. So if this is 150 meter, this will be also 150. This is 120 meter. Again this is 120, so this will be also 120. Okay, according to the given question, I have drawn the figure. It is a rectangular field. Okay. So we have drawn the diagram. What they are asking, find the perimeter of a field. So perimeter of field equal to, okay. So again perimeter they are asking. Again we are supposed to add the given sides. So suppose I am starting from 150. Okay. So we will go in clockwise. 150 plus 120 plus 150 and then again 120. After adding all the sides, you will get the total as 540. What's the given unit? Meter. You are supposed to cross check the unit. Sometimes it is given centimeter and sometimes it is given meter. So this time the given unit is meter. So I will write meter. If you do the wrong, then you will lose the marks. Okay. So that's it. perimeter of the field. Again finally you are supposed to write. Final statement में आपको लिखना है perimeter of rectangular field is 540 meter. Okay, now we will go for area. Perimeter तो हो गया हम लोग का, अभी area. Now with the figure I will explain you what is the area. Definition तो आपने starting में ही देख लिया था. Now we will go for figure explanation. Yes, square. Okay. So just now we have seen for perimeter यहाँ पे जो given sides होते हैं वो हम लोग ऐड करते हैं. I will name this A. The given figure is A, B, C, D, and it is a square. So what is the area? We are seeing now area. अभी ये जो मैंने फिगर बने, any of the closed figure आपका होगा, ये जो बीच का पार्ट होता है ना, ये फिगर का मीन्स हाउ मच एरिया इट इज कंज्यूमिंग और ऑक्यूपाइंग, उसे हम लोग बोलते हैं एरिया. पेरीमीटर में तो हम लोग ये सारे गिवन साइड्स को ऐड अप करते हैं और उसका टोटल करते हैं. बट फॉर एरिया जो क्लोज फिगर है उसके अंदर जितना एरिया ऑक्यूपाई होता है ना, उसे हम लोग एरिया बोलते हैं. ओके, दिस इज फॉर स्क्वायर. सपोज इट इज अ ट्रायंगल. सो व्हाट विल बी द एरिया ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल? दिस पोर्शन, इसके अंदर का ये जो ऑक्यूपाइंग एरिया होता है ट्रायंगल का, उसे हम लोग बोलते हैं एरिया. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड विद द एक्सरसाइज. आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में एरिया का भी एक एक्सरसाइज गिवन है. यू कैन सी दैट. पेज नंबर 73 you can see this many questions are given. I will solve one for you. Okay, I have taken the second sum. This is the square, but what they have done, they have divided the given square in 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for area what were you supposed to do? Area of given shape. Again we will write the shape only because it is easier. Okay, so for area what are we supposed to do? We just have to count the squares in that given figure. मतलब आपके ये एक बड़ा स्क्वायर है, इसके अंदर जितने स्क्वायर्स फॉर्म हो रहे हैं हम लोग को उतने काउंट करने हैं. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many squares it is forming? 4. So 4 SQ centimeter. In the textbook you can see it is given as SQ centimeter. So what's SQ? SQ is square. And what is cm? This you already know, it is centimeter. Okay, so that's it. Any of the figure will be given you. You just have to count the inner squares. जो बड़ा फिगर है उसके अंदर जितने स्क्वायर्स बन रहे हैं वो हम लोग को काउंट करना है, यहाँ पे लिखना है. उसके आगे स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर लिखना जरूरी है. अगर आपने ये लिखा नहीं स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, so you will lose marks because in area it is compulsory that we have to write square centimeter. Again I will solve second one for you. This figure is somewhat like a rectangle, but figure doesn't matter. The only thing matter that inner sides. Okay, this is the one of the sum given in your textbook. Again what we will write? Area of given shape. Okay, now again what are we supposed to do? We have to count the inner boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and finally 6. So how many side boxes we got? 6. What we are supposed to write? 6 square centimeter. So in this way for area any of the figure will be given to you. You just have to count the inner boxes and you have to add. Okay, so it is very easy topic, perimeter and area. I hope you have understood both the topics, perimeter and area also. So in this way I will be bringing more videos for you. So if you like the video, please give me a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channels. Okay, thank you.